Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. Cyanide Red Pill Rixter right here, yeah. All right, we're just gonna get right into it. Got a good show today. We got about 4 chapters in it, so just stay posted, stay tuned right here. Cyanide Red Pill Rixter on the Mr. Show.
I only advocate for the men who are out here trying to do their part and bitch, you getting in the motherfucking way. I got a problem with that. Is that some of you women had children for your own selfish reasons. And we already know that to be true because the first thing you reach for is how to selfishly alienate the child from its father. You know when a woman is on that bullshit based off of the shit that she grabbed for first. Oh, if I can't alienate the child from its father, then guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to have conversations, full-fledged conversations about the father to the child. Now I'm going to make the child have to choose sides. Oh, okay, yeah, your father's a piece of shit. Well, bitch, add your name to the list because you a piece of shit, too. You a motherfucking piece of shit, too. See, I don't want to hear that. Then you take another step further with saying, well, oh, you know what, motherfucker, this ain't even your child. Go get a DNA test.
Get a DNA test?
Ouch, a lot of ladies like to say that crap, yo, but go get a DNA test. It's crazy.
Get a DNA test? Are you sure you want to say that?
Yeah, I did it on my own. Yeah, what the fuck you wanted? How else you gonna have a good ass motherfucker Mother's Day, bitch? That's only how you bitch gonna have a motherfucking Mother's Day.
Yo. Just wanted to know, everybody, please like and subscribe, and thanks for locking it in. I had to do a lot of editing, yo. This shorty here, she swears like a trucker, bro. So let's get into it more times. Mr. Show and I, Red Pill Rixter. Let's go.
Your child. Go get a DNA test.
Get a DNA test? Get a DNA test? Are you sure you want to say that?
Yeah, I did it on my own. Yeah.
Sound like she had a Caribbean accent, though.
What the fuck you wanted? How else you gonna have a good ass motherfucking Mother's Day, bitch? That's only how you bitch gonna have a motherfucking Mother's Day anyway. Brag about what the fuck you did on your motherfucking own.
Wow.
You bitches like control. You like status. Y'all like motherfucking titles and shit. That's why I say it's not about you motherfucking kids. Y'all kids be out here thinking, oh, my mother got my best interest. No, the fuck she don't. No, she don't. Your mother out here lying like a motherfucker. A lot of y'all don't even know that your mother out here lying like a motherfucker.
Lying like a carpet, yo. Because we can't swear too tough.
I'll tell you right now, if you have a conversation with your father as an adult, you'll realize that your mother was out here lying like a lot of the shit that she did was for her own selfishness. And see, here's the thing about it, that these fathers be more mature in that moment because they won't even engage in a conversation with that child about the mother. Like they
Okay, sometimes that's true. Sometimes these women be acting mighty immature, yo. Come on.
be having more respect. Like, you know what, I'm not even gonna go there with the child, you know? I'm not gonna even tell my child how fucked his mother is because
Mama.
At the end of the day, that's his mother, or that's her mother. So I'm
That's
not
his
gonna do
mama.
that.
What's one move in bed that makes a man go crazy every time?
You gotta give him that hawk.
Oh, God. Here she is, the ever famous hot Bumble chick. Yo, it's that girl, yeah? That girl, that dangerous, bro. Let's go.
Is because at the end of the day, that's his mother, or that's her mother. So I'm not gonna do that.
What's one move in bed that makes a man go crazy every time?
You gotta give him that hawk and spit on that thing. You get me?
Wow.
I don't get you. I think you gotta demonstrate.
Go check out Buddy Boy. You gotta demonstrate.
Spit on it. Spit on it.
That's not what he meant.
But the reality is, if these tell you the motherfucker, and I need you guys to understand, I need y'all to
Talk to them, girl. Talk. Think before you react, bros.
think before you react. That's how these bitches catch up to you. That's how these bitches catch up. I'm gonna tell you something. Women, we play chess. We don't play checkers with you niggas. So women be we be testing the water when we in a relationship with a guy. We try to figure out what makes him tick, what makes him react, what makes him respond. So now we armed with that knowledge. And now she gets a child out of you. You don't think that she's using that same shit against you for a later time? You talk about that now and later. That's the definition of a now and later. That's not just candy, bitch. That's the definition of that now and later. Like, I'ma hold on to this shit for now, but I'ma get your ass motherfucking later.
Oh, excuse me.
That's the new Pop the Balloon show. Y'all been catching the fat on that, but this is hilarious, yo. Yo, what's wrong with some of you ladies, yo? Come on, don't be so paranoid over a man. A man said, stop, excuse me for 1 second, and let's see what happens. Let's go.
Later.
Oh, excuse me, excuse me.
What the hell is that?
I'm gonna stop you right there. It's the persistence for me. Drop your key.
Told you these bitches not trying to complete you, they trying to compete with your mother ass. The same way how these act when it comes down to fucking children. The same way they act with that child. This is my mother child, nigga. First thing they want to do is spit off their mother titles and their achievements and all the mother awards and degrees you got. Fuck that shit, bitch. It's the same thing that these be doing with these kids. It's just another level. It's just another layer. It's just another achievement. It's just another status. Some of these kids don't even know that, but that's what the f you are. That's what you have been to your mother. It's a status. Some of these females be hurt. Y'all be hurt like a mother. Especially when a nigga go out there and get something better. And I'm not necessarily better as far as looks. I'm just talking about a better woman in his life who's able to add true value. Y'all hate that shit. That's when y'all want to go right back to the courts and shit, see if you can get an increase and shit. A motherfucking increase. Now I want in.
Yo, this girl's gangster, yo. Where's she from? Brooklyn? Jersey? What you think? Where's she from?
I want in, motherfucker. I want motherfucking in. Y'all hate like these hateful ass, spiteful ass, bitter ass fucking baby mamas. That's what they want. They want to see you inconvenienced. They want to see you hating. They want to see you mad. They want to see you frustrated because they know that if they can impose all of them feelings, all of that shit on you, you can't necessarily think clearly and get to that extra level of your life. You know, get to the next phase of your life.
Because you all up in your feelings, bro. Can't be up in your feelings when you're doing this, bro. Keep going.
Because you're going to be so consumed with turmoil.
All that shit is fatherlessness. You don't know what it feel like to be in the presence of a man that has some authority. How you gonna feel comfortable with this shit out in the world? This is why we end up struggling as young ladies trying to process and like feel comfortable around y'all. I feel like trying to control you, feel like you're trying to tell me what to do, feel like you're trying to use your money to do. It's a lot of shit we misperceive or we take it the wrong way because we don't know what it feel like to have a dad.
I think she wants to say misconceive or something like that. But
that say, this is the decision as a man, and ain't no woman coming to put shit out in the world. This is why we end up struggling as young ladies trying to process and like feel comfortable around y'all. I feel like trying to control you, feel like you're trying to tell me what to do, feel like you're trying to use your money to do. It's a lot of shit we misperceive or we take it the wrong way because we don't know what it feel like to have a daddy that say, this is the decision as a man, and ain't no woman coming to put her 2 cents on it, right? Then you only seeing how a woman solves and processes and run the household. This your programming. Now flip the same shit to a young boy. You 16, 17, fully grown in your build, but you only ever saw a woman run shit. You only ever saw your mama, decide how stuff gonna go in the household. And we nurture her. So a lot of times women don't even realize all that fussing, the way you handling your son, you f him up. And this is why it's a lot of niggas that they not gay. They heterosexual males. They are attracted to women, but they can't stand a woman.
She's used to doing most of her damage from the bottom, because she has very bad knees. So for her to attack the D from the top of the key tonight, was completely unexpected.
All right. This is reaching out to the men. Best play on words I've heard in a long time. Well written, and we're going to listen to this to its entirety. Check it out.
She's used to doing most of her damage from the bottom, because she has very bad knees. So for her to attack the D from the top of the key tonight, was completely unexpected. She came in with a strategic game plan tonight, and she executed. Hats off to her. We didn't think she could go left, to be honest with you. But she was handling them balls with both hands tonight. And kind of caught the D by surprise. She manipulated that D tonight. And we just came up short. It's a game of inches out here. And, we just didn't have enough inches to get it done tonight. I'm definitely used to playing from behind. That's our game plan. We tried to lay up in it. Once you see it go in the hole a few times, try to get our confidence back. But, she was daring me to shoot it in her face all night. And clearly we was unable to do so. The lackluster effort on D was very disappointing. It's Definitely not the standard we like to set here. I was surprised that she was able to pick me up, full court. She pretty much was relentless on attacking our rim tonight. That's not something I'm used to. Yeah, I trapped her in the corner a few times. Her ball handling is out of this world, Probably some of the best ball handling we probably ever seen.
I think the refs let a lot of things slide out there tonight. We were having a hard time dealing with her physicality on the D. She pretty much had the D in the chokehold all night.
She had the D in the chokehold all night. We know how that is in sports. Come on, let's go.
Once the D started flapping around out there, we knew it was over at that point. We kept going underneath the screen.
Damn.
Huge mistake on our part. Once she got hot, there was nothing the D could do to stop her from coming at us all night. We'll be ready next time. We'll see her again. We'll definitely have a different outcome on the next meeting.
Different outcome on the next meeting. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember to share, and also hit the notification bell.
You can't get a collapse.
Okay, so two women are watching this guy put together a stroller, and then someone comes to help him, and et cetera, et cetera. So he's trying to put together a stroller. It's not so easy for men, man. We think it's logical. It's some kind of stupid little button or something, bro. All right, let's go.
Oh, he ain't gonna have a stroller left.
Oh, God. What to
that
do?
man might help him.
Okay, there we go.
This is like a joke. How many dads does it take?
Okay, here we go. We got this. We got this, boys.
That side button down there, isn't it?
We got
I thought
this,
it was
boys.
the side, like that middle, like in the very middle, that button.
He's checking on his baby.
Okay, he's checking out his baby. Good dad.
Hot.
Oh, he's putting it back up. No, you keep it off.
Oh, no. All right, so there we go. Gramps is coming in. Gramps is going to be able to help.
You may know. Well, the baby ain't in it.
Oh, no.
It's been round and around.
Oh, no.
And this is
Oh, no. Oh, no.
I've never seen one quite like this. I'm not sure how to do it myself.
I think it's the wrong button that he's trying.
These guys look like they want to go get the tools. So the tool of the day would be to get wifey on that phone right now.
He's called somebody.
It's his wife, I can guarantee it.
Hi.
Oh, wait.
Okay, here comes the savior. Here comes the savior. Let's see what she does. 3 men working on it, and the 3 men cannot seem to get it. So here comes the savior. Let's see what she does. Let's see what she does. Are we able to handle this? Men, be men. Let's go. Oh, man.
My
One hand. She walks away.
Hello, hi, man, it's up your line.
Oh. Me showing my seasoning cabinet to my melanated friends. Check this out.
Oh,
Cool. Okay. Yeah.
Do I blow? Well, how do I blow?
Okay. She had to laugh at her own comment. What kind of that thing is that?
I think you know just fine. Imagine it's Valentine's Day, you woke up and you forgot to get a present, all right?
Touche, touche.
Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. I redpillrixter. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow the notifications by hitting the notification bell. It's not for everybody, but it's for me and it's for you, Mr. Show. Redpillrixter.